Can I insert footnotes when typing with a phone? The answer is yes, you can. So in our part 1 video, we were discussing the fact that you can actually use your phone to type your exams and your assignments. So in this video, I want to show you how to insert footnotes when you're typing using your phone. To dive on it, I was writing an exam here, and then I see I didn't reference this specific sentence. It was about, and I see estate versus Makwanyi. I want to show you how to reference this sentence. So the first thing to do when inserting footnotes is to make sure that you've got the right keyboard. So you know that our phones have different keyboards. When you buy a phone, this like your Nokia will have a different keyboard. The first step when you want to successfully insert footnotes using your phone is to make sure that you have got your right keyboard. How do you know if you have the right keyboard? Your keyboard has to have the tab button. So in this phone, I have the tab button. Actually, I did not have. I had to download a new keyboard because of this phone came with a keyboard that doesn't have the tab button. So this is the tab button. Yes, if your keyboard doesn't have the tab button, then you go to Google, download Microsoft Swift keyboard. To insert your footnotes, firstly make sure that your insertion point is just next to the full stop. Like at UNISA, they require that your footnotes number be next to the full stop. Then you go to your keyboard, you press the arrow that is facing upward. Remember, we are using the Polaris app. So I'm not sure when you're using Word which buttons you'll press, but this is for Polaris. Then you go to Insert. Then you click Footnote. As you can see, your insertion point is just next to the number of the footnote, and at UNISA it is required that your footnotes be 1 centimeter indented. That's when your tab button is gonna work. So you go to your keyboard that has a tab button, you click tab, then I can refer my case and write state versus Makwanyi, and then you can fix your font by highlighting the footnote. We are required to use Arial. Go back to home. We are required to use Arial 10 for UNISA footnotes. Arial 10. Yes, and we have inserted our footnote using a phone keyboard. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to comment with your questions if you have questions for me, and also subscribe so that when I drop new videos, I'm sure they will be valuable, especially for us UNISA students. Please subscribe. Thank you.